Essential actions that will make you wealthier. Many people dream of becoming millionaires at 30, and many wish to fulfill their financial goals before settling down. Let's face it, being a millionaire is almost impossible for most people. The world we live in doesn't guarantee these riches all the time, and you have to work hard to achieve your desires. The thing is, we shouldn't aim to be millionaires in this lifetime. It's a great goal, but why not seek to be wealthy and comfortable instead? If you ask us, you don't need $1,000,000 to say you are satisfied with your life. So, in today's video, we will share the essential actions that will make you wealthier and more comfortable in this case. Before we kick it off, do subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. Number 1. Find the right purpose. People dream of becoming wealthier for different reasons. Maybe some would want to experience a luxurious life filled with travel, while others may want to escape poverty. If you want to gain wealth in this lifetime, you need to have a clear purpose as to why you want to. Not only that, but you should also find the right purpose. Why are you doing this? Are you striving only for your desires, or are you striving for your family and the people around you? We're not saying working hard for wealth because of your personal desires is wrong, but look at the bigger picture. Find the ultimate reason why you want to be rich and comfortable. Riches will be enjoyed if you're all alone. Isn't it beautiful to be wealthy because you want your loved ones to be genuinely happy? Or maybe you want to donate money to charity once you gain the wealth you are aiming for. These are the kinds of purposes that will drive you to succeed. It doesn't have to be all about you. Number 2. Start a business. So, you now have a clear purpose as to why you want to be wealthy and successful. So how do you do it? It won't be easy, but one of the best ways to achieve this is by starting your own business. The most successful people in the world own the biggest businesses out there like Apple, Facebook, McDonald's, and Disney. For a starter, you can put up any business, from food and technology to education, and you begin your groundwork. When establishing a business, there will be hindrances and obstacles along the way. People will try to pull you down, and some will not believe your products and services. You must be determined and focus on your goals and purposes to succeed. Who knows? Your small business can be a multi-million-dollar brand one day. Before we continue, let's take a quick break, and we invite you to subscribe to Money in Mind. You can also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. Alright, now back to the essential actions that will make you wealthier. Number 3. Find the right strategy. Now that you're on your way to achieving your financial goals for a better life, you must also have the right strategy in doing business and investments. Find time to learn what you still don't know and open yourself to other concepts that could be useful for your business or job. Why not partner with someone who knows a field well and invest your money in it? There are a lot of people willing to help. You just have to know who to trust and where to find them. Attend seminars and classes, enroll in courses, and open yourself to growth. Find the right ways and strategies to build your name in the field. If you want to sustain your motivation to gain wealth, you'll have to be willing to take risks in this life. Work hard to learn the most important things that will help you improve more. Number 4. Take care of your health. With all the efforts and hard work that you've placed to achieve success in your job or your business, you may forget to take care of yourself and you grow weak and unhealthy. Never replace good health for better wealth. Imagine working 24/7 to fulfill the money goals on your list but ending up sick and stressed. Sure, you're earning thousands and thousands of dollars every day, and you already planned how to spend it for the next 5 years of your life, but are you sure you still have 5 years in your life if you put a toll on your health? Think about this. Never replace good health for better wealth. Find the right balance. Number 5. Visualize your success. With all that's going on in your life, especially in the work you do for your goals, you should already envision your future and who you want to be. Make a list of the things you wish to achieve and check them whenever you accomplish a goal. This action keeps you on track of the things that still need to be done and inspires you to keep going. Visualize the future you want for yourself and your family. Keep a dream board if necessary and cut out pictures of the places you wish to see or the people you want to meet. Aside from hard work, everything becomes possible when you believe. And finally, number 6. Be humble. Hard work, patience, and perseverance are some of the most important values one should possess while aiming for success. But some people forget about humility and why it is essential to remain humble and modest during the process. Imagine bragging about your goals and desires yet to be accomplished, only to discover that you won't be fulfilling them in the future. Many people fail to achieve their goals because they announce and brag about it more than actually doing the work to pursue the dream. Our advice is to slow down and not announce all your plans for success. Let people wonder and leave a sense of mystery about what you're working on. As they say, let your success make the noise. In conclusion, to be wealthy and comfortable in life, you need to work hard and stay grounded. It's also not just about dreaming and aspiring to have all these beautiful material things, but it's also about persevering and taking action. If you want to succeed, you have to start the work now. And that is our list of the essential actions that will make you wealthier. Comment your thoughts, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind and join us on this exciting journey. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.